And welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher. I'm Lauren and welcome to Demo Day. Neiman and I recently acquired a house and it has a potential Airbnb area on the top floor, but it needs a lot of love. And so today is the day that we really get to dive in and get started. Last week we did a video of just showcasing the whole entire space and showing what our plans are for the end result. So if you haven't checked that out, be sure to check it out. I'll link it down below in the description. Let's get to it. We're gonna start removing some carpet. We are going to start here in the bedroom and we're gonna start in a corner and just start ripping out this carpet. All of the carpet up here is super old, and then in here especially, it's got stains like no other. I think there were pets here before, so you can only imagine what is on this carpet. So we've got some safety gear that is essential during demo day. We're wearing RZ masks. Both Neiman and I have one. This one is a pink tie-dye one. He's got a gray one. They've got so many different styles as well as colors, so definitely check out their website. We'll link it down below. And you can save 10% by using code FFT10. It's really neat because it doesn't fog up my glasses. So safety glasses are essential as well, both for when we are pulling up the carpet and then doing any demolishing with the hammer like I did at the very beginning. And then we're also wearing gloves, long sleeves, and long pants, socks, and closed-toed shoes so that we're just protecting our really entire bodies. Let's get started. We have no idea what we're about to find. It looks like this carpet was put down with the tack strips around the outside of the room. So once we get it released from the outside, it should be really easy to just cut up, roll up, and get out of here. Oh, do you see this? Do you see what I see? We've got some hardwoods, you guys. At least in the bedroom. That's it for the carpet in this room, but as you can see, we've still got the padding that we've got to rip up as well. And under that, that is when we'll officially see what flooring is there. Oh my gosh, you guys!
We got it!
This is wood.
Yeah, it
We're
is.
gonna take these staples out, see what we've got to work with, but I think this is really workable if we just refinish it. Oh my gosh.
Look at it. It's in pretty good shape too, right?
I mean, it's scratched up, but it'll have to be refinished, sanded, and like stained,
Yeah.
all that, but
Okay, that's one room. We needed in 4 more others, 3
Yeah.
more others.
but I'm for it.
Yeah, for sure. It's a good start.
carpet removal. We've still got to remove the tack boards, but I think we're going to move on to the next room and focus on actual carpet removal right now.
All right, here's our first pile of the bedroom. Not too bad. Won't be that bad carrying them downstairs.
Or maybe we should throw them out the window.
Ah, I like your thinking.
Next room here is the sunroom. So let's get this carpet up now. This carpet is a little bit more difficult to cut. Let's get the carpet and no peeking on the hardwoods yet.
You feeling lucky, punk?
I don't know. It's not quite the same as the other room, so they might be like unfinished, but we'll see.
We'll see. We got the carpets up. Now it's time to get rid of them, get them out of our way.
And we're gonna see what's underneath this padding. Cross your fingers for more hardwood floors.
More hardwood, more hardwood.
All right, here we go. Oh no! It's plywood! Blah.
Disappointed.
Dang it.
For real, man.
That's not good.
Okay.
Well, it's okay though. We gotta just roll with the punches. We want to continue to stay safe with these masks and eyeglasses and gloves and all that. We know it's necessary.
Yeah.
But it kind of stinks, you know?
And it's the first really, really humid day in Nebraska too that we're deciding to start this on.
82 degrees and muggy, so that's great too. You know, we got the fans going, but
we gotta get it done.
Not really too much AC up here.
Uh-uh.
We're not complaining though. We're having a lot of fun.
For sure.
Doing it together. This is our first like project together.
Yeah. Big project. We've got a lot of little mini projects, but this is a whole nother taking and a whole nother level, but we're making progress.
For sure. So, like you saw, unfortunately, not hardwood floors in here.
Yeah.
It looks like we've got some plywood. So, we're gonna have to see, you know, obviously it depends on what's in the other rooms, because honestly, if, you know, hardwood's in the other rooms, but just not this one, that'll be one thing. But if it's not in any of the other rooms, but only in the bedroom, we'll just kind of have to see what, you know, we plan on doing and how we'll kind of pivot from there.
And let's get to the next one. Okay, before we get to break, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more tossing us some carpet. It's always been, ever since I knew I wanted to do some real estate, it's always been like one of those aspects like
What was that?
You guys okay? Yeah, we're good. Window didn't make it this go around, but there's more of those.
What window is that?
That's just I think the second pan.
Wait, what?
Yeah. There's the screen, the storm. Gary was telling us about this. So, and there's like another one on the outside that is like a storm window. And so that's what that kind is. So add that to the list.
We're doing knows what we're gonna find under the carpet in the bathroom. Why is there carpet in the bathroom? Well, we have no idea, but we're about to change that. Carpet from the bathroom there, and they actually laid the carpet directly over the tile that was in there originally. So we're gonna save that tile job, the removal of that tile, for another video. For the sake of this video, we're just removing carpet. So on to the kitchen.
More tile, green tile, I'm pretty sure. Got spotted.
Yeah, so, we've got our work cut out for us, but we see wood floors underneath the tile and underneath this, I think it's glue, some type of like padding / glue that's under the tile holding it down. So we're gonna have a lot of scraping, but I think it's gonna be worth it. So it's like great news, but just like a little bit of bad news because gotta work to get there. We've got oh wait, I take that back. We've got 2 areas left. We've got the hallway next.
All right. So that wasn't too bad. There's some more tile underneath this carpet, of course, but it didn't have nearly as much glue, so made it really easy to pull out versus these past 2 rooms. Need to get this stuff folded up, and we are going to get into the stairwell.
I think, weirdly, this stairwell, out of all of the rooms, this is the one that I'm really hoping has some sort of hardwood salvageable something, so that we don't really have to mess with like installing different carpet and the whole 9 yards. So here we go. Last test to see if there are hardwoods under here. Of course. It has padding. Oh wait. I don't know, it might be wood.
Is that just like glue on top of it?
I think it's glue. And then carpet padding. Wood, but I don't know if it's like hardwood or if it's just plywood.
Pretty easy once you get the groove though, huh?
Well, it looks like it's just in small sections, so I'll let you take over from here.
Spoke too soon, barely. Okay, it's way too windy outside right now, so we're not going to even try to bother talking while we're out there. But what we need to do is clean everything up, and we're going to get things loaded into the truck to take to the dump. We're going to get stuff in trash bags as well to tidy everything up. And then we're going to call it a day, I think, from there. So let's go ahead and get to it. got it all nice and pretty for me, so now I need to come in and clean up what I kind of did. I think that she had actually clipped it earlier with one of her toss outs, and mine was just the bullet that sent it over the edge. The wind just blew, and we were trying to come up to end the video, and it blew on us, and we're locked out. So Lauren's got to go around and get that all opened up. My savior! My savior!
That is going to do it for this video. You guys, obviously we did not know what we were getting ourselves into when we were taking up all of this carpet throughout the whole Airbnb. So we've still got tons of work before we're ready to even start anything other than demo. So in this room, this was probably the easiest room of all of them, and it's not quite finished. All we need to do is take the tacking off of the edges as well as the staples from the carpet padding, but this is definitely going to be salvaged and refinished. And I'm pretty sure there is the same flooring under that tile in the kitchen. We haven't checked the hallway, but I'm hoping again that that's hardwoods. The bathroom, still not quite sure either. The sunroom, unfortunately, we're gonna have to add something new. And then the stairwell, I'm hoping to refinish that as well. Please know that Neiman and I are taking every single precaution when it comes to safety and disposing of this stuff. We decided against getting a big dumpster here. We're just gonna take it by the truckload. We actually discovered that it's a lot cheaper to do that and bring it by ourselves. So what you can look forward to on our next video regarding the Airbnb is to continue the demo. We're gonna be removing tile. We're gonna be busting up a mirror. We are going to be I think I'm gonna be removing a little bit of trim as well. So get subscribed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching and for your constant support. We could not be here without you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the flip side.